everybody. We are doing our decluttering challenge and we are on day 12. And day 12 is unique because it says to pick a room that is stressing you out the most or is most cluttered. And I really wasn't sure which room that is for me right now because I have several rooms that are a little cluttered. So I asked John David because he happened to be home today and he said his room, which I think means he wants help with his room. So we're going to work on his room today. Also, you might notice that my mouth looks a little funny, and that is because I had dental work today. I broke a filling, and so they fixed it for me. And so that's always fun. I'm half numb. Yay. This dentist really knows me out good, though, so it's okay. All right, so we're going to work on this room for 10 minutes, and he's coming in, and he's going to help me. And he has a small room, to be fair. So it's a challenge because he doesn't have a lot of space. He is not camera shy. Not at all. Anyway, so this right here is his double bunk bed. It's like a double bed on bottom. And so anyway, that's why it's taking up so much of the screen. And he's got like a desk shoved into this corner that you can't see. And then he and his buddy used their little whole set that he got last Christmas to build a big structure that's taking up his entire room. So anyway, we're going to work on this today, aren't we, John David?
Yeah.
It's going to look better, isn't it? We're going to see how much we can do in 10 minutes. Are you up for that?
Yeah.
Do you think you can accomplish much in 10 minutes?
No.
Aw, well, maybe we will. All right, let's go. We did our 10 minutes, and I like what John David said. He said, should we just finish off the room anyway? And he was like, hey, don't stop a timer. I want to finish getting my tracks. So this is a good point about the timer cleaning. Like, if you actually have more time, you can make more time. And he has time. So he doesn't want to stop at 10 minutes. He wants to keep going. That's great. I might do a few more minutes with him. But I actually have a lot of other things I'm supposed to do. I don't have the same luxury of time that he has today. We got a lot done, though. I'm really happy with what we got done. His bed he doesn't use the bottom bunk, so it was covered in toys, and now that's there's only one thing left on it, and a pillow. And yeah, he just straightened the pillow, so now that's better. And it's cool. We got this was a disaster, and that bag is empty, so all I have to do is pick up that bag, and then that corner will look better. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. So yay! And there's no giant structure anymore. He spent most of the 10 minutes taking that thing apart and then putting it away neatly. And the bag, the reason why we chose the bag instead of a Rubbermaid container is that he can slip that bag behind his bed and it will fit, whereas a Rubbermaid container would not. So anyway, yay, I feel like we got a lot done. Do you feel like we got a lot done, John David? I can't find you. There you are. Do you feel like you got a good bit done?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Well, I think that's a wrap for today and me and my numb mouth. Thanks for joining us. I hope you have a great day, and we will see you tomorrow.